Hey everybody, it's Lisa Bug Fitness and Yoga, and I have an update on hip replacement for you. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, so I am 16 days post-op on the left hip. I am 8 weeks and 2 days post-op on the right hip, and I'm 11 months, 10 days post-op on the left knee. I think that's correct. I'm starting to lose track of all of this. 3 joint replacements in under a year. It boggles my mind, but here we are. Anyway, I had my 2-week follow-up with Cody. He's the physician's assistant for Dr. Mayer at Twin Cities Orthopedics and the Orthopedic Institute. And we did x-rays, so I was able to see the matching pair of hip replacements. It looks really great. And my pelvis looks really even. I'm still feeling like the left leg's a little bit longer than the right, but it's doing better. That's kind of evening out. And he said in a little bit more time that should be feeling totally normal once the strength gets back in the muscles in the newest hip. But this hip the recovery's been a lot different. And Cody actually said, this hip, the second one, your recovery is a little bit more normal for most people in terms of what, the pain level and what you're going through. Because he said, I think your right hip, you recovered, a smidge sooner than what most people do. You had a pretty good recovery on the right hip. This is a little bit more normal. So he assured me that everything is going great and I'm right on track. But he said you could take a dart, close your eyes and throw it at a dartboard, and it's, you're going to have it hit someplace differently each time, and that's how joint replacements are. And you just can't anticipate how things are going to go with recovery. You just have to go with the flow, which is what I'm really trying to do at this point. But let's see, what else did I want to share? Oh, the recoveries and how they've been different. A couple of highlights. The right hip, I had just a ton of bruising. Left hip, 0. No bruising at all. So strange. The right hip, I had blood descend down into the thigh and bruise around the top of the knee. And that stayed there for quite a while and was really tender. The left side, I've had swelling descend down to the left knee, which is kind of really interfered with my knee replacement a little bit. That's gotten all stiff again, and I've had trouble with flexion and extension in that knee being what it was before. I know that'll come back, but it's just a lot of swelling that's descended down into the knee. A lot of swelling also in the outside of the hip, so I'm still icing, still elevating and trying to control that. The hip pain has been worse on the left side than the right, but the right pain is coming back just because, I'm not completely healed on this right side. So now that I'm using my right side more to weight bear, to get in and out of a chair and those kind of things, the right one is really pretty sore. And if I could go back and change things, maybe I would have waited another couple of weeks or more to have this left side done. But that's neither here nor there. We've got it done and we're moving forward. So I ran into Dr. Mayer when I was in for my 2-week follow-up, and he said, how you doing? And I said, well, this side's been harder. And he said, give yourself some grace and slow down and take it easy and let yourself heal. Don't do too much. Don't give yourself a setback. And I said, I will, I promise. He goes, no, I know you. He said, take it easy and give yourself grace, and don't do too much too soon. He said, I worry about you. I said, okay, I promise. So he actually does kind of know me since I've been his patient for probably, I don't know, maybe 15 years now, 14, 15 years that Dr. Mayer's been working with my knee and my hips now, and been kind of tracking my progress over all these years. So he knows that I'm a go-getter. He knows what I do for a career. He knows that I'm really active and just, wants me to take the time to heal before I start pushing the envelope. So that being said, on my last video, I said for my Lisa Bug folks that I thought I would be starting next week with classes. I'm on the fence about that now, so I'll let you guys all know, but I might need to take another week to just heal and rest and recover before I get back to starting my classes. So I'll let you guys all know that. But I just wanted to fill you in, let you know how things are doing. Thanks for following along. Thanks for being so encouraging for me. I appreciate it all so much. It's really helping me stay positive in these joint replacement recoveries. So stay strong to my knee and hip warriors, and I'll see you next time. Take care.